Good day, everyone. My name is AJ Bisorpantes, and I'm here to present natural disaster and hazard mitigation. Type of hazard, risk reduction, and engineering solution. Overview of the topic. Natural disasters are extreme events caused by natural processes of the earth. Hazard mitigation involves action that reduce the impact of disaster. Type of hazard, geological, earthquakes, volcanoes, landslide, hydrometeorological, flood, typhoons, storm surge, climatological, drought, wildfire, biological, pandemics, epidemics. Risk reduction strategy, hazard mapping and risk assessment, early warning system, disaster preparedness, and drills. Proper land using planning, community and awareness and education. Engineering solution. Earthquakes resistant structure, flood control system, dikes, dam, drainage, slow protection, and retaining walls. Storm surge barriers, fire resistant building matter. Case study example. Flood mitigation in urban areas. Improved drainage system. Elevate house and education planning reduce damage and save lives. Environment. Understanding hazard and applying mitigation strategy help protect people, instruct, ins, infrastructure. And that's all. Thank you for listening. Sorry if my reporting is like this. And thank you. That's all.